So guys, probably you are wondering what is the top selling t-shirt designs? What is the top selling niche? Well, let me tell you something. All niches you know are top selling. But hitting the top selling niche is not so easy. You're confused right now, right? Let me explain you something. You have niches like camping, like hiking, like dogs, like cats, like, I don't know, gym, fitness, something like that, right? But there is a millions of designs over the internet, on a merch by Amazon, on Teespring, or something like that. But you need to pass the competition and to place your design in top selling design. How to do that? The one truly way to do that is to find top selling design with good rank already and to rework it. When you rework your design, you must be sure that your design is better looking than the other design. That's the first thing. The second thing, when you do that, you need to make sure that your SEO optimization, your bullet points, your keywords are really good and really good optimized for your niche. Then you have to sit down and wait the sell. If you're not sure that you can make really good design or illustration for your t-shirt design, believe me, sometimes it's better to go on Upwork or Fiverr and employ some freelance designer, artist to make you really good design for your t-shirt. That design you can use on many t-shirts you make, just changing the text. Believe me, it's a better way than to have some bad design and to try to sell it all over the time, every day, and do nothing and losing the money, losing the time. So that's the job I'm doing actually. I'm a designer, I'm an artist, and I'm doing t-shirt design. So I wanna just show you the sample right now, what I have done. I took the niche of dogs. In dogs, I go with a long tail and I took pit bulls because pit bulls is a really popular niche and people love dogs. And the third thing is I took the summer vibe theme. So I wanna combine the summer vibes and pit bulls and to make a perfect illustration for a t-shirt. So check this out. So we have completed this illustration, and right now we just have to place some text, some quotes to hit our keywords on design so we can sell it more and faster. So you're about to make design for your t-shirts or illustration, but you are not good at it. Feel free to contact me on my Fiverr account, link is down in the description of the video. Tell me that you are coming from my YouTube channel and I will make you the good offer. Remember, if you like this video, smash the like, subscribe, and see you again in another video, another illustration, another design.